Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel recurring payments on PayPal. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm going to be demonstrating how to stop any recurring payments that you currently have active through the PayPal website. However, you can also follow along on the mobile app if you prefer. The layout is going to be different, but you will also have the options related to recurring payments or auto pay available there. If you want to do this process through the website as I'm doing here, go to paypal.com and sign into your account. Now, click on the settings icon. Usually, it's going to be on the navigation bar at the top of your screen. In here, you have to switch over from account into the payments category. Immediately upon heading into payments, you will find online purchases and finally automatic payments. This is where you will be able to manage all of the recurring payments that you have active at the current moment. Upon clicking this option, you will get instructions on how to do it. If you have recurring payments active, you will find them here, and all you would have to do is click on any of them and choose the option to cancel. It's as simple as finding a specific recurring payment that you have and clicking cancel. If you are doing this process through the mobile app, it might be named something like auto pay instead of automatic payments. But regardless, you just have to go into the settings, access the payments category, and then choose automatic payments. Once you go into this window, you will be able to find all of the recurring payments currently active and attributed to your account. Afterwards, select them and choose cancel. So that's basically how you can cancel recurring payments on PayPal. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.